Hello everybody. Today we are making delicious fried egg and cheese with avocado grilled sandwich. Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright, we're going to start off with 2 slices of bread. I'm using white bread and we're just going to butter this up all over the bread on each side. Next, we're going to add mayo on the other side of the bread. I use Best Foods. We'll flip this over and we're going to put mayo all over the bread. You can be generous as you want. Okay, now that's done, we're going to put this in the oven. Now we're going to toast our bread. I'm using a convention toaster oven, so if you have one, perfect. You can also use a toaster if you like. If you don't have a toaster, then you can just grill it. But we'll be grilling the sandwich at the very end, so you can wait on that. Right, next we're going to heat up our pan, and we're going to place about 2 teaspoons of butter here. And we're just going to wait and let this melt. Now it's sizzling up. We can start spreading our butter, and we're going to place our egg next. Crack your egg. Make sure the yolk does not crack. I'm just going to season it with salt and black pepper here. Okay, now that our egg whites are looking more white, now I'm going to slit a little hole in the yellow yolk and let that ooze out a little. And now we're going to flip that over. Once you do that, you're ready to put on the cheese. I'm going to add some mixed shredded cheese here. But you can use whatever type of cheese that you like. And I'm just going to let the cheese melt in slightly like that. And now I'm ready to take out the egg because I don't want it to cook all the way, as I like my egg a little soft and runny. Okay, now we're going to get our breads out that we had in the toaster oven and lay the mayo side up. And now we're going to add our avocado. This is extra avocado that I had, so I'm just going to use this leftover, which is perfect. I'm just going to smash this with a fork into the bowl so it gets a mushy texture, just like that. And we're just going to place our avocado on one side of the bread. Okay, we can just evenly spread that out, and it's already looking delicious. Now the next part is we're going to add the egg and cheese that we cooked. Just put that right on over the avocado. There's our sandwich. And last, we just need to grill the bread. So you want to heat the pan back up and just place the sandwich in whole until you get that golden brown crust that you like. I already cut this up, but you can cut the sandwich after it's done. And there you go, our fried and egg and cheese with avocado grilled sandwich melt. It's very delicious and it's a very easy to make recipe. Hope you give it a try and I hope you enjoy it. Again, thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Good foods is good mood.